In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson T10 or T11 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows real-time protection and the tamper protection if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After that, you can just download this resetter, the link on pinned comment. After you download this resetter, you can right-click on the file and select Extract All. Just click Extract. Then open the resetter folder and double-click in loader.x files and click Accept. In here, you can select the model name into Epson T10 or Epson T11. Okay, then you can click OK. After that, you can go to particular adjustment mode button here and select was inkpad counter and click OK. Just click on the check button here. After that, you can click initialization button. If you encounter an error here, you can try to repeat the resetting process and try to move your USB printer into another available port on your computer. Then you can try to reset again. After the reset process is complete, you can just click finish and you can turn off your printer and you can turn back on your printer again. That's our tutorial how to reset Epson T10 or T11 using resetter or adjustment programs. Hope this will be helpful for you.